Gaga here. It's a caricature with my pencil. And anyhow, we're gonna learn how to do a little sketch of her. There we go. I think I got a good way to go on that. All right, so then she's got giant diva hair. Woo! Lots of hair. All right, so now with my marker, I'll come in here and draw the shape of her face. So it comes down, and then this is kind of her cheekbone over here, and then it comes back around. All right, and then she's got some hair that kind of comes around here, and that's all the hair I'm going to do for now. Okay, so kind of right in here is where her mouth is going to go. So I'm going to start by drawing a little shape like this. Now you might think, oh, that's her lips. Nope, that's her teeth. Okay, then around that is one lip, the bottom. And then around the top is the other lip, because she's got very full lips. Her makeup artists really work those up. Okay, then kind of above there, we're going to do just a little line like that. We're going to make a dot, come down and do another dot. And we're going to do another line that comes up like that. Then, about right here, we're going to make a line that comes up. Eyebrow line, and then we've got her eyeball and some eyelash or eyebrow, and then on this side I'm gonna come up like that, eye. Pretty good. Then under her chin, we're going to put a teeny tiny little neck, and then we're going to draw shoulders, and then we're going to put a little wrappy dress on her, like so. And then she's going to have And then here's her big platform shoes. There's the top of them. And then they come scared to walk in them. And then we'll have this dress come kind of back, and then here's her giant diva hair. Oh my gosh. Whew. All right, and there, friends, is Lady Gaga. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching.